Once upon a time, in a quiet drawer filled with shiny pens, colorful markers, and fancy highlighters, lay a simple pencil. Plain and unassuming, the pencil believed deep down that it had something valuable to offer the world, even though it wasn't as eye-catching as the others. One day, a child opened the drawer, searching for something to use for homework. To the pencil's surprise, the child chose it over all the others. The pencil was thrilled. Finally, it was going to be useful. As the child wrote, the pencil felt proud, helping to create sentences, solve math problems, and even sketch pictures. However, as the pencil was used, it started to wear down. Its once sharp tip became dull, and the pencil began to worry. What if I can't write well anymore? What if I'm replaced by the pens or markers? What will happen to me? Thought the pencil. Just as these fears crept in, the child picked it up and took it to the sharpener. The pencil was scared. The sharpening process was painful, and it felt like it was being cut apart. But when the sharpening was done, the pencil looked at itself and realized it was sharp again, ready to continue its work. Over time, the pencil learned to accept that wearing down and being sharpened was just part of its journey. Each time it was sharpened, it became better at what it did, writing, drawing, and helping the child express their creativity. The pencil discovered that no matter how many times it was worn down, it would always come back stronger and more useful as long as it kept being sharpened. The pencil's journey offers valuable lessons for life. The first lesson is that everything we do leaves a mark. Just as the pencil leaves its marks on paper, every action we take, every word we speak, and every decision we make leaves an impression on the world. Whether it's a kind gesture that lifts someone's spirits or a harsh word that hurts them, our actions have lasting effects. So it's essential to be mindful of the marks we leave behind. The second lesson is that mistakes can be corrected. A pencil comes with an eraser for a reason, allowing us to fix errors and start again. In life, we also have the opportunity to correct our mistakes, learn from them, and grow. Mistakes aren't the end, they're chances to improve. Just like erasing and rewriting a pencil mark, we can rewrite our actions and make better choices in the future. The third lesson is that what matters most is what's inside. The most important part of the pencil is its graphite core, not its wooden exterior. Similarly, in life, it's not our appearance or material possessions that define us, but our inner qualities, our kindness, honesty, and integrity. What truly matters is who we are on the inside, not how we look on the outside. The fourth lesson is that pain is part of growth. Just as the pencil experiences discomfort when being sharpened, life brings its own challenges and hardships. These difficulties, though painful, help us grow stronger and wiser. The pain is temporary, but the growth it brings is lasting. Each challenge shapes us, making us better equipped for whatever comes next in life. Finally, the fifth lesson is that in the right hands, you can make a difference. A pencil in the hands of a skilled artist or writer can create beautiful works. Similarly, when we find the right environment and use our skills and abilities with purpose, we can have a significant impact on the world. Each of us has unique talents, and when we put them to good use, we can make a positive difference in the lives of others. In the end, like the pencil that leaves its mark, learns from mistakes, grows through challenges, and makes a difference in the right hands, we too have the potential to shape the world around us. Life may not always be easy, but with every obstacle, we become wiser, stronger, and more capable of leaving a positive mark on the world.